Alright guys, welcome to Small Caliber Arms Review. I'm out here on my neighbor's property and I've got a target set up way over there at about 515 yards according to Google Maps. You can get some pretty good detailed distances on there. Anyways, I got the Howa 1500 S.C.A.R out here, 6.5 Creedmoor, and we're going to try to stretch it out there. Now I'm going to be shooting the leftovers I had from the federal gold medal Sierra. I also have some other ammo with me, but this one I zeroed it in at 100 yards, so it's telling me that my 500 yard drop is going to be 57.5 inches. So I'm going to have to aim a little bit over the top of that, and I got the steel target down there. It's like a 12 by 20. Hopefully I'll hit the thing. We'll give it a try and see how it does. Alright, everything is nice and warm. I got the cameras on. I got a flag about in the middle of the range there, and it's pretty dead calm, but that wind changes as it goes. Kind of swirls around this valley a little bit. So I'm going to see if I still got the right to wear this patch on my hat. Let's give it a try. Alright, the ballistics calculator said I need to hold 3.2 millirads high. It's a 57 inch, almost 60 inch drop. It's a 20 inch target, and that is about 1 millirad tall from here. All right, we're going to give it a try, see what it does. Did not hear a ting. Let's try one more. I also cannot see where I'm impacting down there. Nothing but woods behind it. I'll take one more shot. Hey, there we go. I heard the ting that time. There's a pretty long time between the pow and the ting. Let's take one more. There was another ting. So I'm holding about 3.5 high, and probably, I'd say half a milliradian to the left. There is a slight breeze from left to right, so I got it. It's perfectly capable of 515 yards ish. Let's go down there and take a peek at it. All right, there it is, 515 yards or so. One shot right there on the very edge of it, and a pretty good spot toward the middle there, not too bad. So I was holding probably just about here, and so it's about 6 or 8 inches to the right, so the wind had a pretty good effect on it from that distance. So I'm assuming my other shots are probably right over in here somewhere, because I was aiming dead center, just holding really high. I don't know which one's which. I'll be able to see hopefully in the little camera I've got set up there. But not too bad. No damage to the plate. Now this is one of these, this is a Gettysburg plate. I picked it up from Rural King. And 6.5 Creedmoor at that distance, all it did was knock the paint off it. There is no deformation to the metal itself. Not too bad. I kind of wish I'd have had someone spotting for me. Could have told me a little bit, and a little something in the background where I could have seen the hits. I could adjust it a little bit better, a little easier anyways. But they were just kind of some random shots, and 500 yards is a pretty good distance. I mean, 1/16 of an inch off down there is going to be a whole lot different down here. But anyways, it is getting very warm out here, so I know it's capable. Hopefully one of these days I'll get to go out there to Thunder Valley Precision when they're not fully booked up and not having a special event going on, and maybe I can stretch this thing out to at least 1,000. I really don't have any more adjustment. I've got a 0 MOA rail on it, so I don't have enough adjustment in the scope and rail combination to shoot a mile, but should be able to do 1,000. Anyways, that's the Howa 1500 at 500 yards. Did all right. Need to stretch it out even farther. Anyways, thanks for watching Small Caliber Arms Review. If you could, hit this button up here to check out some of my other videos. Hit this button over here to subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching Small Caliber Arms Review. It is hot out here. I'm going to get everything put away and get to where it's cooler. Plus, I got lawn to mow. Yay. All right, that was kind of fun. We're going to do this a couple more times. It's a long time between cow and ting. I think I missed that one. Pulled my air plug out too. It's pretty loud. Thanks for watching.